about how the stars are the eyes of God. I think it's true, don't you?
No, I don't.
If you had any real balls, you'd jump off that bridge. The same thing happened to Max could happen to me. Did you hear what I said?
Nothing's gonna happen to you.
Like a carries or a fucking bigger ship. We're against a bunch of battleships and Loki and things.
This Omen is not suspect.
Yeah, the Mac took gate guns.
Yeah.
I'm about to jump
The
into
Retry
Anki.
suspect. The Retry suspect. Yeah, you can come in.
Okay. Do you have eyes on the other side?
Yeah, I have eyes right now. There's nothing on that side. There's a Loki and 0 on Haloon side. That's the only spooky thing.
Okay.
Rendolin just took aggro. Who's that? It's the Zealot. I'm shooting the Retry right now. He's pulling back though.
Interesting. Yeah, I'm just a little concerned about MGD.
Yeah, me too. We're at a good range right now. Orthers aggro. I'm going Orthers. So Orthers can die, I think. Need to keep my prop.
Is he pulling back?
No.
Oh, Loki's gonna close.
Just ram it hard. Right now
Is
pulling
Loki off
back.
gate?
Yeah, yeah, you can come in. You can come in.
Okay, I'm jumping in.
I have to pull.
Yeah.
Um.
Can you just warp to me right now, Kadesh? I'm 80 off him.
Okay, warping.
Just align first before you press warp.
I burnt my prop. So
Let's go into them. It's fine, just go repair, yeah.
yeah.
Just warp in, Kadesh, and let's go. We're gonna fucking slay! Let me know when you're broken. Links up, it's burning. You wanna do the front Mac? Kaldari Taxidermist? You're not talking, Kadesh.
Yeah, I'm shooting him.
If this Noman comes in, let's switch to him. Lock him up. I kinda wanna all in the Noman right now.
Okay.
I'm going in. Point.
Point.
Max coming in. You got good damage?
I'm webbed by Macarail. Oh, it's grapple,
Okay, we'll hit that. I got ECs on him for you.
It's fine, I'm burning off. He's eating
I'm
shit
gonna clear the
actually.
Retry. Alright, Retry's pulling back. I'm gonna go back onto the Mac.
Macarail is armor.
Yeah, he'll be buffer, I think. Zealot's landing.
I'm switching to Hail.
Orthers back in. You have point?
On Macarail, yes.
Okay.
I am starting to shoot it again.
I'm on him.
He's burning off.
God, he's a tanky boy, dude.
Yep.
We might need to switch to Orthers. Do you want to switch or no? I don't know.
I think yes. We are not killing
Let's
this
let him come in
Macarion
more.
tie.
Let's let him come in more. He's not that far still.
Okay.
I think he's gonna turn off too. Yeah, he's already turning. Stay on the Mac.
Gnosis is in.
The Shimu. We're
The
off gate
Shimu.
gun range now, so don't worry about gate guns. We might need to do a Shimu or Loki.
Oh yeah, Loki is pretty close.
It's pull range.
Just
Pull range, pull range.
ramming.
Do Orthers. Switch to Orthers. Alright, he's turning already on Orthers. Good shots on Orthers. Really good shots.
I'm not shooting him at the moment. I was reloading. So from hell to something more useful.
Okay, he warped. They're all bouncing. I'm trying to go in for point.
Okay, going in the back.
Back on the Mac. I think this Mac can die actually.
Fuck, he
Fuck.
worked.
Try and get something. I'm going for no Shimu.
I have Gnosis.
Shoot the Shimu, shoot the Shimu, point to Shimu.
Maybe Macariel will get back.
Yeah.
They have Macariel 100 off.
Yeah. There's
But
a
he's
Ganon.
burning other side.
Heat on this Shimu. Let's break him.
He's down.
Okay. Go for the Zealot, let's try and get point.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we go around the
Get
Ganon?
on a stint.
Ignore the
Get
Ganon,
on a
ignore the
stint.
Ganon, go around him, ignore him.
Yep.
Point.
Point.
I only have 2 charges on my Ansel left.
Let's go buff.
I gotta pull range a little bit.
Orthros is back.
He
Oh
warped.
fuck, I
I
lost
thought
point.
you had it.
Yeah, I lost it. Sorry.
It's fine. I'm reloading Ansel.
Orthros. Oh, he's close to the kitten.
We can still lay into damage on him. What are you hitting?
Orthros?
I think I'll switch to Orthros.
Yeah, switch to Orthers. Let's see if we can get point. He's gonna warp in a second. He's aligning.
Fuck.
I can't get it.
I can get it
He might
as
just
well.
die and fall off. Heat, come on.
I have point on him.
Nice.
Let's go for this Mac. Let's go round and go for the Mac.
Is he low still? He might have repped.
Yeah, he probably wrapped up.
He repped.
Yep.
That's
think
fine. I mean, there's nothing else here, right? We don't want to shoot and get it.
Zealots at
I'm
0.
good.
Yeah. Mac's in at 0 on the gate. Alright, I'm shooting the Mac.
I'm pointing Geddon and traveling to Mac.
I'm coming back in with on you for links, Kadesh.
I'm gonna switch point to Mac.
Yeah, let's stay on the Mac.
Point on Mac.
Nice. Damage on. Second Mac in.
Second Mac is in. Which one do we shoot?
Stay on sleepy. What are you coming in next?
Series.
Okay, cool, perfect. Links.
You wanted, right?
Yeah, it's perfect. You want to switch to the other one? He's ramming. I don't know.
Yeah, that's why I was suggesting.
Okay, let's switch.
Do I need to scram it?
No. Let him.
No.
Let him isolate. How are you doing on cap boosters, Kadesh?
I'm fine. I have 800, so news are not that.
Lock up
scary
the
for me.
retry on you, Kadesh. Lock up the retry. Let me know when you have him locked. He has 0 trans.
I'm locking him.
On your call.
Okay. I have him locked.
Go.
Mac's turning.
Retry's turning. I don't know if you can dive in for point, Atrof.
I have it.
On the retry?
I have point on radar as well, but I'm not hitting. I'm gonna try to transmatch.
Yep, I'm matching 2 now. I think he 80 seed. grab a Mac. Grab one of the Macs.
Point searches.
Okay, coming in.
I'm coming back.
You think we should damn Geddon or carries? I don't know. Or Mac?
I got 3 get in at the moment because I was supposed to.
Okay, let's just shoot the Geddon, I guess. If the carries can hold one of the Macs, and then we can point the Geddon. If the Geddon's damned.
So what should I hold?
Shoot the Geddon, shoot the Geddon, point the Geddon.
Okay, I have point on it.
Yeah, if you want me to hold point on the map, then keep on.
Yeah, do it, it's fine.
Yeah,
I'll burn up to you with my ult. Try and get us, Aatroth, my Zealot in the Mac with your next set.
Yeah.
I'll get Nyx with my Bifrost. Jag. Might need to screen that Jag. 2 Jags. I'm gonna switch the Jags right away, Rendlin.
I'll switch into fusion.
Scimitar in. Scimitar with Jag, scary.
Yep.
We just have to string them out here.
Yep.
Both Jags ramming.
Yep. Rendlin's really low. Heat on Rendlin.
He's catching a rip.
I'll scram the front one. He's gonna scram you. You're not burning? I scrammed him. I hope that's enough.
And I don't have fun on the Mac at the moment.
It's fine. Just play defensive right now.
Okay, Raiden died.
Kill blanked. I have him scrammed. And then we're gonna go for the Simi. Try and go point the Simi right now if you can, Aatroth.
Point back on the Mac.
Yeah, I'm trying to try to go around.
Fuck, I need ECs on the Mac, Kadesh.
On Macariel? On
Yeah,
sources?
yeah.
Okay.
I can 100% dampen.
No. I'm at 0 on him. You're not gonna damp him off. It's a Mac. We just need
I have
ECs.
only EC lights.
Okay.
I think I'm okay. I'm gonna warp off my ult. Oh, never mind. I got webbed again. Can we go for the Simi?
Fuck, I also got scrummed.
What?
Fuck, by what?
By this Macariel, but I think I'm closing off.
Seriously.
Macariel sources, yes.
Heating everything.
I got my Bifrost off. Fuck. I'm warping to the gate and I'll warp back to you and try and
Loki's
push.
in.
I'm burning.
Can you warp?
Sorry, but I can't.
I think you're okay actually.
It's
Damp
fine,
the
it's
Loki,
fine,
damp
it's
the
fine.
Loki, damp
It's
the
fine.
Loki.
I'm burning off.
Switching to Loki.
Okay, let's just pull range and reset a bit here.
Yeah.
I got no more heat on the dunes.
I think we're good for now.
Get ready to warp up to me. Get ready to warp up to Shine Attack if you're in good range. I boost the Simi off. China attack. Go at range to China.
Okay, we're
I'm
gonna start. We
warping
need to pull over
20.
the range.
I'm warping. I think we're good.
I'm gonna have to swing it.
Okay, warping.
Call point, yeah? They're Mac.
They
He went to the
warping
gate.
as well.
No, he went to the gate. We're okay. They're all going to the gate. They're fucking retarded. Blast the Simi. I'm holding links. Let me know when you break in bone, Kadesh.
I broke Invul.
Loki in,
They
Loki
might. They might MGD.
in. Full damp the Loki. Just stay on the Simi. Can we heat? And I'm gonna pull towards sun. You need to pull range, Kadesh.
Yeah, sure. I was trying to keep web on.
Nah, don't
this
worry about
fucking
it.
see me.
Just fucking kill him and fall off here.
Okay.
Do we have damps, Loki?
Damps are on Loki.
We'll do Loki
Yes,
now.
yes.
Switch to Loki. Can you keep point Loki? Nyx?
Uh,
As soon as I get links, yes. And
Minor cooldown.
I'm coming towards you. Come towards me.
3 seconds.
Exactly. I should have got you.
I have point right now.
yeah, I got
Stay on him.
I need to pull. Fuck.
Yeah. I would just load barrage maybe, Kadesh.
I have fusion, but I have strong Sayer, and I'm going a little bit around.
Yeah, I'm going down with you. I'm gonna circle around with you. The Mac's coming for you. He's just Q-clicked on you.
It's fine. I'm faster than him.
Okay. I'm coming with you.
I think this Loki is gonna die.
I'm gonna have to burn.
Vigilant, vigilant.
Yeah.
Okay.
Zealot approaching. Let's do the Mac of Circes. Let's do the Mac of Circes.
Okay.
Mac's on me. Can we damp the Mac of Circes?
Yes, they're just switching in.
Okay. I have point
Vigilant
for
might
now.
be fuel box, he's just 0 missed, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like his cloak time, yeah.
Let's try and spread points here. The other Mac's going for the gate actually, so we don't really need to. Call aggro on the Zealot. I don't know if he's aggro.
He's not aggro.
By accident.
You did
Just
what?
do grace, go to station. You can just rip it.
Yeah. This Mac's going for the gate. I'm gonna try and come scram him. Or can you get a drive by, Atrof?
Yeah, I can drive by.
Okay, I'm dropping all aggression.
I don't have point right now. I'm focusing on my ult to try and get a boost here. Zealot's coming off the gate.
Drive by.
I have no cap boosters, apparently.
Okay, fuck. That's bad.
But they are not shooting me that much.
Take scram off, take scram off.
I don't have scrum.
It's off, it's off.
I have only wipe. Okay, burning to him.
Well, that was good, dude. That was a 50 km heated MWD boost. I like to see it.
Sleepy, by the way, aggressed on me.
Can we get ECs on the Mac?
I don't have ACs anymore. I abandoned them during warp.
Just call him back in if you can. Or heat damage. I think we can just break him.
Yep, probably.
Call point. He dropped scram.
I
I
have
think
it,
my
I have
EC's
it, I
hit.
have it.
I'm hitting him with multi-free card. Zealot's aggro. Can carries go try and go point the Zealot?
Yeah.
I'm gonna come up with you. Thanks.
Zealot's locking me at 120.
Yeah.
Just move your damps to him.
Yeah,
I'm going
same.
to, just in case.
Max almost dead.
Out of the tank.
He's already aligning.
No.
Call the point.
I don't have links for the point at this range.
Point.
I'm gonna stop micro.
A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts. So, he loses touch with reality and lives in a world of illusions. By thoughts, I mean specifically chatter in the skull, perpetual and compulsive repetition of words, of reckoning and calculating. I'm not saying that thinking is bad. Like everything else, it's useful in moderation. A good servant, but a bad master. And all so-called civilized peoples have increasingly become crazy and self-destructive because through excessive thinking they have lost touch with reality. That's to say, we confuse science with the real world.